Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete an avatar in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first get into WhatsApp. Then right here you can tap on settings, and right here at the very top you can easily find that avatar feature. You can just get into it, and now in order to delete the avatar, all I have to do is right here hit at delete avatar. It says that your avatar data will be permanently deleted, including your avatar stickers pack. That's it. I have just removed the avatar, and on that screen, if you want, you can hit where it says create your avatar to create new one, if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.